Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this colorful fall nude lips look. If you guys want to see, then keep on watching. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and be part of my chat family. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my video. If you guys ready, then let's get started. I already have my base on and my eyebrows, and if you think my eyebrows are not weird today, it's that because I was trying to follow the eyebrow shaping rules, and I will link that video down below. Alright, let's get a little closer, and now I will be priming my eyes. And I will be using Fenty Beauty eye primer that I love so much. First, I will go into Smashbox palette in Bold Eye palette, and the shade I will be going is, I think it's called No Shame, but it's this purple right here. And I'm just gonna stamp that shade on with Sigma E55. And next, with the same brush, I will be going into, you know what, I'm just gonna stop fighting the shade name. I will be going into this orange with the same brush. Now I'm gonna reinforce that purple again. Now I'm gonna do the same thing with my lower lash line. And next, I'm gonna use Coastal Scent number 19, and I will be going into Morphy their 238 palette, and I will go into this shade. I'm just gonna put that on my lash line. A little bit on lower lash line. I just quickly do mascara off camera, and I think this is already like good. Like, I don't think I would put any falsies on. Now I'm gonna finish the rest of my face before we move on to lipstick. I forgot about highlighting. For highlighting, including my inner corner highlighting, I will be going into this shade from the same palette. It's so beautiful, look at that. It's like pink with like orange, no sorry, with purple shade. And then I will be using this brush, thick fan brush, and then just highlighting. And then I'm just gonna top that up with Fenty Beauty How Many Carats. I'll set my face with Color Effects in Illuminating spray first. And then I will top my setting spray got into the middle. And then I will top that highlighter with Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm in How Many Carats. Cool. For the lips, I honestly don't know what would I wear. I think I will go with nude lips. And I will line my lips with Wet n Wild gel lip liner in Bare to Common. And then for lipstick, I will go to Maybelline Nude Lush. Yeah. I'm just gonna go with Wet n Wild in Sandstorm. That's better. And now I'm gonna top that up with Fenty Beauty Iridescent Luminizer in Ready to Mingle. I really love how this turned out. And this is the finished look. If you guys enjoyed my video, and I hope you did, then give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my video in the future. And I love you guys so much. Have a great day, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye bye.